Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Betterment notifications. Betterment is a popular online financial advisor that helps you manage your investments and finances. Notifications are an essential part of the Betterment experience, keeping you informed about your account activity, investment performance, and important updates. To access notifications, first log into your Betterment account and navigate to the Settings or Account menu. Here you will find a Notifications section where you can customize your notification preferences. You can choose to receive notifications via email or within the Betterment app. The first type of notification you will receive is account notifications. These notifications inform you about important account activity such as deposits, withdrawals, and transfers. You will also receive notifications when your account balance reaches a certain threshold or when there are any issues with your account. The second type of notification is investment notifications. These notifications provide you with updates on your investment performance, including daily or weekly summaries of your portfolio. You will also receive notifications when there are any changes to your investment portfolio, such as when a new stock is added or when a stock is sold. In addition to account and investment notifications, you will also receive tax notifications. These notifications inform you about important tax-related events, such as when your tax documents are available or when there are any issues with your tax filings. To customize your notification preferences, navigate to the Notifications section and select the types of notifications you want to receive. You can also choose the frequency of notifications, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. It is essential to customize your notification preferences to ensure you receive the most relevant and useful information. Best practices for managing Betterment notifications include regularly reviewing your notification preferences to ensure they are up to date and relevant to your needs. You should also make sure to keep your contact information current, including your email address and phone number, to ensure you receive notifications in a timely manner. In conclusion, Betterment notifications are a valuable tool for staying informed about your account activity, investment performance, and important updates. By customizing your notification preferences and regularly reviewing your settings, you can ensure you receive the most relevant and useful information to help you manage your finances effectively.